Hey, Kaylee. Which Halloween costume do you want?
The rubber, the ladybug, the bee, the butterfly, the pirate, with a Red Riding Hood, or Minnie Mouse. Which one do you like better? Do you like the bee?
Yeah, I do like the bee.
You do like the bee?
Do you like the bee?
Yeah. Do you like the bee?
Yeah, do you want to be the bee when we go trick-or-treating?
No. Do you want it?
Yeah. Do you want to buy it?
Or do you want to buy it?
Do you want to buy it?
No, do you want to buy it?
If I buy this costume, can I put it on you?
Can you put it on?
No, I'm not going to put it on. I'm a big person. You're a little kid.
No, I am a big kid. And you're a little kid. I'm a big pig.
You're a big pig?
No.
Are you saying you want to be a pig for Halloween?
No. I'm a big pig, and you're a big pig.
So do you want to be a pig for Halloween?
I'm a big kid, and you're a big kid.
Okay. Okay, do you want to both be bees? If I dress up as a bee, will you dress up as a bee?
No, you have a bee.
If I dress up as a bee, what are you going to dress up as?
No, I'm not going to dress up.
You're not going to go trick-or-treating and get candy?
No, I'm a big kid, and you're a big kid.
Okay. And are we big kids going to go trick-or-treating and get candy? Are we? Are we going to get candy?
I'm a big kid, and you're a little kid.
Can you just pick a costume that you like?
I can't pick a costume. I'm afraid to pick a costume.
Why are you afraid to?
Because I'm all alone.
You're all alone?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm going to get the love bug costume because it looks like it's warm. And you're going to throw it. Okay. How many costumes are there? Can we count them? No. You're just going to get them under there? Okay. Well, that went well. Taking a Halloween costume.